In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add alt text to Etsy listing images using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Alt text or alternative text helps describe your images for accessibility and can also improve how your listings appear in search results. Now, if you want to add alt text to your Etsy listing images, here's what to do. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Go to the Etsy website and sign in with your account. Next, open your Shop Manager. Click on Shop Manager from the top menu to access your store dashboard. After that, go to your Listings section. Select the listing you want to edit. Now, choose the image you want to add alt text to. Click on the photo inside your listing editor. Then, add your alt text. In the alt text section, write a clear and detailed description of the image, focusing on what the product is and important details. Once you're done, click Apply and then save your listing. That's it. Adding alt text to your Etsy images helps improve accessibility, visibility, and makes your listings more effective.